Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, not too long ago, I think it was maybe 3 or 4 days ago, it was announced that the Chicago ones are going to be releasing in 2022 for holiday season. And not only that, but they're going to do it in their reimagined form, I believe. Basically the sneaker with a vintage vibe to it. So I was like, you know what? We don't have to wait for all of that. Let me just show you what a vintage pair looks like. So today, we're gonna be taking a quick look at my 1985 Air Jordan Chicago ones, as well as my Bread ones and my Royal ones. But I just wanted to make this video more centered around the Chicagos because I actually just sold this pair and I kind of just want this video for the memories. Boom, boom. So these are it right here. The 1985 Chicago ones. If you know anything about sneakers or you've been in the sneaker game, obviously you could probably respect something like this. It's super hard to find. When we're talking about sneaker grails, I feel like this shoe right here or a lot of the 1985s are on a sneakerhead's list, but they're not necessarily the easiest to obtain. Obviously, this is a very, very old shoe. I was doing the calculations earlier and I was like, okay, if this was in 1985, it's 2022 right now. Bro, this is a 37-year-old shoe. Older than I am, all right? That's old. So I'm gonna show you guys the shoes up close in detail so you can see how well a 37-year-old shoe is holding up. So let's get to the B-roll. Okay, so like I mentioned, I did end up selling this pair right here. And if you guys are wondering why I ended up selling them, I had this shoe for a while. I had my time with them, you know, it's just time to move on. And somebody else could appreciate something like this. So I went ahead, listed it on my site, and these just sold. So that's why I was like, you know what? Let me make a video on these just to show you guys how a 1985 pair looks compared to whatever's coming out. But one of the main things that I love about the 1985s, or just, you know, the Jordan 1s in general, is how they hold up over time. There's no other shoe that I can think of that will hold up like an Air Jordan 1. The 3s crumble, 4s, 5s, 6s, even the 7s, 8s, everything else crumbles, but the Jordan 1s, they remain wearable. No matter if you just leave it in the box, keep it new, beat the hell out of it, they will still remain wearable. Here's how the outsole is looking right now over time. 37 years old, man. Comment down below, how old are you guys? Because this shoe right here is for sure older than me. Rubber's still good, still grips, super nice. I know some of the 85s, they start getting a little slippery right here on the midsole and outsole, but these ones, they're all good to go. They're super creased, but honestly, this leather feels really nice. It just feels a little bit thicker than most of the leather that they use nowadays, but yeah, to see this hold up over time, imagine how many owners this shoe had before it got in my hands. Another thing that I like about the 85s is honestly how the collar looks. A lot of people are starting to distress their sneakers nowadays, you know, add some yellowing to it, add some distressing over here, but honestly, the natural distressing and seeing how this part just kind of flakes off, chips off, I think it looks really nice in my opinion. So hopefully on the newer pair, they do something where as you wear it, it kind of just like wears down like this. That would be super cool. Everywhere on the shoe where it used to be white is this super dope sail or cream color. I'm wearing a white tee right now, so you can see there's a big difference when it comes to the white versus this right here. All aged naturally. This is like fine wine, son. Nice laces, nice tongue, Nike Air on the tag. One of the downfalls with the 1985s though is that the heel area right here starts getting really crunchy. You guys hear that? So basically in this pair, all of the heel support that was right here is pretty much gone. It's super thin and it's all piling at the bottom of the shoe. But other than that, I mean, this is a nice shoe. This is a nice solid shoe. My dog is over there eating her treat, so if you hear any like ripping or pulling, it's from her. But here we go, the 3-piece combo. This one has to be my favorite of all time. The Air Jordan Bread 1s, 1985s. A little bit more yellow on the midsole, but I haven't touched these at all. I'm not cleaning them, I'm not restoring them, nothing, because these things look good the way they are. This pair right here got sole swapped by the previous owner, so that's the only thing about this pair right here. But both of these are for sale. If y'all are interested, shopsotopia.com. But yeah, I'm just getting rid of shoes that I don't really wear anymore. But it's crazy to see it, man. 37 years old. This one still has stars at the bottom, some of them. some stars. This is the trifecta right here. By the way, in the next video, it's gonna be a buyout video, so this is a little sneak peek. If you guys are looking for Revenge Storms, they will be on my website as well, shopsotopia.com. So for the 2022 release of the Chicago ones, do y'all wanna see a crazy amount produced for those? Because obviously a lot of people love the Chicago ones. They haven't released in a while, so the prices are absolutely insane. Even if you're trying to get the recent release, crazy expensive. If I was in charge at Nike, part of me would just be like, bro, let's just give the people what they want. Let's just make this easier than it needs to be. Don't make it difficult for anybody. Make a ton of pairs. Just dump all the pairs into the market. But I know a lot of people don't like that because obviously, you know, the value or resale market is gonna crash depending on how many pairs they release. But honestly, I feel like for such an iconic shoe like that, you gotta do it for the people, right? You gotta make a nice quantity so it's not super hard to get. There's not a lot of fights. No lives should be lost over a pair of shoes. You know, whenever it's holiday time, things are already crazy, but to add such an iconic shoe like a Chicago 1 to the mix, that's gonna stir some things up. So you guys let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Are the Chicago 1s 2022 edition on your watch list? Let me know in the comment section down below, and if you made it to the end of this video, comment your favorite Jordan 1 colorway down below as well. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry. I forgot to throw these things on. Just like that. And look, people always ask, are 1985s wearable? Of course they're wearable. They're Jordan 1s, one of the best Jordans to ever be made. You put a Jordan 3 on from 1988, that thing is going to mush. But a Jordan 1? Beautiful. Such a beautiful shoe. If you guys are wondering how much I sold these for, I'm gonna let you know. I sold them for $17.50. So yeah, these are going to the new owner. $17.50 for some 1985 Chicago ones. I also have the other ones if you are looking for them. They're a size 10. I believe one's a size 10.5. But yeah, that's it. Quick little on feet review, and we're out of here. Peace.